All you need is to water your peppers with this solution once, and they'll grow like crazy. This simple fertilizer will provide the plant with all the essential nutrients, and you'll see the results in no time. Prepare a quart jar and pour in 17 ounces of warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Thanks to its vitamins and minerals, yeast helps the plant's health, accelerating their growth. Stir the water. Sugar provides energy to the plants, supporting metabolic processes and photosynthesis. It will act as an activator, stimulating the plants to grow faster and be healthier. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, close the jar, and set it in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After that, prepare a larger bucket with warm water. Pour in the yeast solution and mix everything together. You'll get a concentrated fertilizer for watering. This solution will be enough for watering 10 plants, 1 liter for each. You'll provide the peppers with all the nutrients they need and stimulate them to grow. Use the fertilizer daily if needed. They'll fruit like never before.